passes gently through the stones and reeds, glimmering beneath the sun. The sounds of water and bird songs fills the air, a calm rhythm that quiets the noise inside my head. Oh wow, this feels so good. Yet, not everything is pure. Floating in the current, a few pieces of plastic drifts lazily by remind us of how easily we forget the world that gives us life. The scent of damp soil mixes with something faintly bitter, something unnatural. Still, the trees stand tall, their leaves whispering for forgiveness with every breath of wind. Sounds crazy, huh? I walk further down the path, surrounded by hum of insects, the rustle of grass, the chattering of birds. Wow. I sit by the riverbank, close my eyes, and let the earth's voice speak, meditating about the life, the universe. Sounds cool, huh? The cool breeze feels like an old friend. When I open my eyes again, I smile, because even wounded, nature still welcomes us, still teaches us how to breathe, to listen, and to begin again. It's nature. Ask yourself, if it was not about nature,